Okay, so now I'm going to be getting Priceless on the Lockwood 680 and the Haymaker. From the Lockwood, I need to get 5 hipfire kills whilst moving, so hopefully that shouldn't be that difficult to do. And for the Haymaker, I need to get 10 double kills whilst in tac stance. Again, hopefully that won't be that difficult to do. Okay, so let's get straight into the games and get these 2 guns done. Okay, that should be one. Okay, that's second. That's person there. Don't know if that would be another. Not sure if I was moving or not. If I was, good. Okay, hopefully that's another one. Okay, hopefully that's another. Oh, it's done. Okay. Okay, it's done. For God's sake. Come on, that should be one. Oh no, I need it in tac stance. For God's sake. Ah, for God's sake. Oh, I killed my teammate. Okay, hopefully that's one. Yes, okay. 9 more. That person. Ah, landmine. Voicemail, whatever it is. Is anyone else about? What? Okay. Should be another. That's teammate. Oh, that's a double kill. Come on, yes. Okay, it's 3. Did I get, what? That's why I got 2 then. Okay, that should be another one. Okay, should be another one. Oh, so many people. Hopefully that's a double kill. Okay. Need 3 more and we're done. Come on, yes, that's another. Come on. That's another one. Come on. Okay, it should be done. Is it done? Yes, let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to be getting Priceless on the Riveter. For the Riveter, I need to get 5 kills without dying 5 times. So, I don't know, this could be quite easy, but at the same time it could be quite difficult. Okay, so let's get straight into the games and get this gun done. This game is so long. Ah, for God's sake. I need 1 more kill. Okay, got 1. Oh. Oh, for God's sake. Come on, yes, that's another one. Ah, oh, that's so annoying. My teammate killed me. Taking the base. Maybe 1 more kill, my teammate killed me. Another one, yes. Okay, need 2 more. Right, kill my teammate. It's not dead. Come on, yes. Okay, I need 1 more. Ah. Are you oh my god, I got 4 kills. That one? Is that done? Yep, it's done. Okay. That was easy. Yeah, I've unlocked prices on the Lockwood 680. It's my first shotgun and my 26th gun in total. So nice. Okay, I've also unlocked prices on the Haymaker. This is my second shotgun and my 27th gun in total. So nice. Okay, I've unlocked prices on the Riveter. It's my third and final shotgun and my 28th gun in total. So nice.